welcome to this week. We're gonna do insulation and some sheetrocking. Hopefully we finish all that this week. Here we have the AC platform ready. That's gonna be for the lower part of the house. It's a new unit, and this is gonna be the existing unit for the upper part of the house. This week we were able to do the foaming, sheetrocking, almost all the floating. We're just missing a few areas, but we have sheetrocking in the ceiling, on walls, here in the kitchen, the pantry area, also on the master bed. And the master bathroom. We had to put new sheetrocking and also patches on the areas that were repaired. And we also have two 2x8s so we can hang the barn door that's gonna slide to the left. Good progress this week. Next week we're gonna continue with finishing walls and maybe painting, floors. We'll see where we get.